here I have OUKITEL OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the storage section, then go to the disk, like SD card. I don't know why it's called disk on my tablet, but maybe it will be called another way on your. So tap here, go to the storage settings and then select format and tap format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.